Welcome back to MF Cars Review. The 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series is a legendary vehicle that holds a special place in the hearts of off-road enthusiasts and classic car collectors. This iconic Jeep was a product of collaboration between Mahindra and American automaker Willys, bringing ruggedness and reliability to the Indian market. The CJ Series, short for Civilian Jeep, was designed to cater to both civilian and military needs, offering a versatile and durable vehicle that could handle the toughest terrains. Its boxy design, sturdy build, and no-frills approach made it an instant hit among adventurers and those who needed a dependable workhorse. Under the hood, the 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series was powered by a 2.1-liter diesel engine, which was known for its simplicity and reliability. This engine produced around 62 horsepower, which might not sound like much by today's standards, but it was more than enough to tackle rough roads and steep inclines. The engine was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, giving drivers full control over the vehicle's performance. One of the standout features of this Jeep was its low-end torque, which made it ideal for off-roading and heavy-duty tasks. The fuel efficiency of the diesel engine was another major selling point, making it a practical choice for long journeys and daily use. The design of the 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series was utilitarian yet timeless. It featured a classic open-body design with removable canvas tops, allowing drivers to enjoy an open-air driving experience. The flat front grille, round headlights, and angular body lines gave it a distinctive look that was instantly recognizable. The interior was basic, with a focus on functionality rather than luxury. The dashboard was simple, with essential gauges and controls, and the seats were designed for durability rather than comfort. Despite its Spartan interior, the CJ Series had a charm that appealed to those who valued practicality and adventure over modern amenities. One of the key reasons for the popularity of the 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series was its off-road capabilities. The Jeep came equipped with a robust 4x4 system, allowing it to conquer challenging terrains with ease. The high ground clearance, sturdy suspension, and rugged tires made it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts. Whether it was navigating rocky trails, crossing streams, or climbing steep hills, the CJ Series could handle it all. Its lightweight construction and compact size also made it highly maneuverable, allowing drivers to tackle tight spots and narrow paths that larger vehicles couldn't. The 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series was not just a vehicle, it was a cultural icon. It became a symbol of adventure and exploration, often featured in movies, TV shows, and advertisements. Its association with the Indian Army further added to its legendary status. The Jeep was widely used by the military for various purposes, including patrolling, transportation, and reconnaissance. Its reliability and durability in harsh conditions made it an indispensable asset for the armed forces. Over the years, the CJ Series has gained a cult following, with enthusiasts restoring and preserving these vehicles as a tribute to their timeless appeal. In terms of maintenance, the 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series was relatively easy to work on, thanks to its simple mechanical design. Spare parts were widely available, and the Jeep's modular construction made repairs straightforward. This ease of maintenance contributed to its longevity, with many CJ Series Jeeps still running today, decades after they were first introduced. For collectors and restorers, the CJ Series offers a rewarding project, as it allows them to bring a piece of automotive history back to life. The legacy of the 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series continues to inspire modern-day off-road vehicles. Its no-nonsense approach to design and performance has set a benchmark for ruggedness and reliability. While modern SUVs and 4x4s come loaded with advanced features and technology, the CJ Series reminds us of a time when vehicles were built to endure and conquer. Its timeless design and unmatched capabilities have earned it a permanent place in the annals of automotive history. Today, the 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series is a sought-after classic, with enthusiasts scouring the country to find well-preserved models. Restored CJ Series Jeeps often fetch high prices at auctions, reflecting their enduring appeal and historical significance. For those who grew up with these Jeeps, they evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminding them of simpler times and unforgettable adventures. For younger generations, the CJ Series offers a glimpse into the past, showcasing the ingenuity and craftsmanship of a bygone era. In conclusion, the 1980 Mahindra Jeep CJ Series is more than just a vehicle, it's a testament to the spirit of adventure and resilience. Its rugged design, reliable performance, and cultural significance have made it a true icon in the world of off-roading and classic cars. Whether you're a seasoned off-road enthusiast or a classic car collector, the CJ Series is a vehicle that deserves recognition and admiration. Its legacy lives on, inspiring new generations to explore the great outdoors and embrace the thrill of the open road.